Go! GEarheads fast out, going for more, looking to place some of those specimens for their human player to pop some clips on, turn into specimens. Meanwhile, already doing so, a second specimen out from them. Going for a third here in Autonomous. Now up to 3 specimens scored with 10 seconds left, a fourth even. What more can they do here? Looking for their fifth, unfortunately not able to grab it, as Autonomous is going to wind to a close here. Blue will come out with a 40-0 advantage.
Driver, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
Red's got some room to catch up, and I think they can do it. We're going to see Door of Hope going out, trying to grab one of those samples on the field. That red one pre-placed on the field there, the target they're going for. That claw is out. Let's see if they're able to get it. Looks like they're troubleshooting some issues while their partner is focused on that net. Also going for preloaded samples on the field, but instead those yellow neutral ones. For Blue, Senate Cyber Crew up for 4 points for your Blue Alliance. They're going to be the ones with another score here as we see their robot extend outside of the field and then head on over for another 4 points for Blue, extending their lead 95 to the Red Alliance's 15 with half the match to play. For Red, we do see that Spartan Squared still going for more of those neutral samples, trying to grab some of those that are pre-placed on the field. GEarheads still focused on all of those specimens, a big row of them. Now they're grabbing them as their human player lines them up and places them. They're up to 6 or 7 samples scored here for the Blue Alliance in a tight row while their partner focuses on that net. 3 neutral samples in that mid-net for 4 points each. Over on Red, still 15 points, but they are working on it. Let's see. We do see Spartan Squared still trying to go for those neutral samples pre-placed as we get to the end game period. These ascents can be the difference in a match as Blue's starting to pull away, but Red's still not out of it yet. They're going for more. We do see a sample, potentially a specimen coming out from the Red human player in the observer zone with 15 seconds to play. How many samples is that? That's 14 samples for Blue with 199. Will they crest 200 points in the last 5 seconds here? They're going up and they're hoping to do so. Let's see how high they can get here as the buzzer expires in qualification number 4.